In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional poetry writing assistant to craft and refine original verses. I'm starting by establishing a clear persona, asking the AI to focus on vivid imagery, meaningful line breaks, and emotional depth to ensure the writing feels intentional. Once the assistant is ready, I prompt it to write a poem about the quiet hope of starting over after a major life change, specifically requesting a grounded and non-dramatic tone. The resulting poem, titled The First Morning, beautifully captures the stillness of a new home through sensory details like the hum of an old fridge and the light hitting a borrowed mug. It feels authentic and lived through, successfully avoiding cliches while maintaining a sense of peaceful transition. To explore even more creative directions, I ask the AI to rewrite this piece in 3 distinct styles: minimalist, lyrical, and spoken word. The minimalist version uses sparse lines and heavy white space to emphasize the silence of a new beginning, while the lyrical version employs more sophisticated, flowing language to create a richer atmosphere. Finally, the spoken word version introduces a rhythmic, performative cadence with repetition that gives the poem an entirely different energy. This process shows how easily you can use AI to iterate on a single idea and find the perfect voice for your creative work. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.